Caused by our most universal infectious disease, the common cold. But while a cold may be a nuisance, what it can trigger is an everyday miracle. It's nothing less than our own personal human hurricane. A sneeze. Generating a huge propulsive force. Using specialist imaging techniques, we can now see the powerful air currents it creates. The source of this hurricane is a compression of hundreds of muscles in the body. They eject the sneeze at up to 100 miles an hour, dispersing it into 40,000 separate droplets, each containing a payload of bacteria and viruses, whose sole purpose is to pass on the infection. Which raises the question, just how far can a sneeze go? By positioning agar dishes to trap the fallout, scientists have found out. At 2 to 3 meters, the biggest droplets are still falling. These are just about visible, around the width of a human hair. But that's not the end of the sneeze, because as the droplets travel, they become smaller. Some might even remain airborne for the rest of your journey. And these smaller particles begin to divide and split further until they're too small to be seen by the naked eye. But they're still there. In tests, agar dishes placed 10 meters from a sneeze were easily infected. In fact, with assistance from air currents, a sneeze can travel as far as 40 meters. So in a crowded carriage, we're all in danger. A sneeze contains millions of microorganisms which can survive for several days, traveling wherever you do. This is just 2 days of genuine bacterial growth.